Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Horizon. Today we're diving into the details of OKX's bonus system. If you're looking to understand how these bonuses work and how to maximize them, then this video is for you. Make sure to stick around till the end to get all the details and use the referral code 673744754 to start earning on OKX. So, what exactly are OKX bonuses? Understanding the bonus system is crucial for maximizing your earnings on the platform. OKX offers various types of bonuses, including referral bonuses, new user bonuses, and promotional event bonuses. Let's break these down. First up, let's talk about referral bonuses. 1. Referral program. By inviting others to join OKX, you can earn bonuses based on their trading activity. This is a great way to generate passive income. 2. Earning referral bonuses. Share your referral code 6.7374.7 with friends and family. When they sign up and start trading, you earn a portion of the trading fees as a bonus. Here's how you can maximize your referrals. Share your code. Use social media, forums, and direct messages to share your referral code. Incentivize referrals. Offer tips and advice to help your referrals start trading, increasing their activity and your bonuses. Next, let's look at the bonuses available for new users. 1. New User Bonus Program. OKX offers a bonus program specifically for new users to help them get started on the platform. 2. Earning new user bonuses. Complete specific tasks such as account verification, making deposits, and conducting trades to earn bonuses. Here's how you can do it. Register on OKX. Sign up using your email or phone number. Complete KYC verification. Verify your identity to unlock the first bonus. Make your first deposit. Deposit funds into your OKX account to earn another bonus. Start trading. Conduct your first trade to receive additional rewards. OKX also offers bonuses through various promotional events. 1. EID Giveaway. Participate in promotional events like the EID Giveaway to earn bonuses such as mystery boxes and rebate cards. 2. Participating in events. Follow the instructions provided for each event to participate and claim your rewards. For example, join the event. Register for the event on the OKX platform. Complete required actions. Follow the steps outlined in the event, such as making specific trades or deposits. Claim your rewards. Receive bonuses like mystery boxes and rebate cards upon meeting the event conditions. OKX has a VIP program that enhances your bonus earnings. 1. VIP levels. The more you trade, the higher your VIP level. Higher levels offer increased bonus percentages and lower trading fees. 2. Bonus enhancements. As you move up the VIP tiers, your bonuses from referrals and new user programs increase. This incentivizes active trading and holding larger balances on OKX. Here's a quick look at how it works. VIP 1 requires a minimum 30-day trading volume of 10,000 USDT or asset balance of 500 USDT. VIP 2 requires a minimum 30-day trading volume of 50,000 USDT or asset balance of 2,500 USDT. VIP 3 requires a minimum 30-day trading volume of 100,000 USDT or asset balance of 5,000 USDT. Let's talk about mystery boxes and rebate cards. 1. Mystery boxes. These are special rewards that can contain various bonuses, including trading fee discounts and additional funds. 2. Rebate cards. These cards provide rebates on trading fees, helping you save more as you trade. Here's how you can use them. Claim your rewards. Participate in events and complete tasks to earn mystery boxes and rebate cards. Use them wisely. Apply these rewards during your trades to maximize your savings and earnings. Here are some tips to help you maximize your bonuses on OKX. 1. Hold regular trading activities. The more you trade, the higher your potential bonuses. Regular trading can also help you climb the VIP tiers. 2. Complete all tasks. Make sure to complete all the tasks available to new users to earn the maximum rewards. 3. Refer more friends. The referral program is a great way to earn passive bonuses. Share your referral code 673747524 widely to maximize your earnings. 4. Participate in promotions. Keep an eye out for promotional offers and trading competitions that can boost your bonus earnings. To sum up, understanding OKX's bonus system can help you maximize your earnings effectively. Don't forget to use the referral code 673747524 to get started with OKX and enjoy exclusive benefits. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Crypto Horizon for more crypto tips and updates. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to OKX, sign up using the referral code 673747524 and start earning your bonuses today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.